Rodentia are gnawers. Example rats, squirrel, mites, etc. They comprising nearly 40% of all mammal species. Are characterized by two pairs of razor-sharp incisors used for gnawing through the toughest pods and shells for food. With their impressive reproductive power, adaptability, and capacity to invade all terrestrial habitats, they are of great ecological significance. Squirrel family Sciuridae, generally any of the 50 genera and 268 species of rodents, whose common name is derived from the Greek squirrels, meaning shed tail, which describes one of the most conspicuous and recognizable features of these small mammals. These distinctive classification. Superclass Gnathostomata. Jaws and paired appendages are present. Class Mammalia. Hairy skin, milk gland. Subclass Eutheria. Viviparous animals. Order Rodentia. Chisel-like incisors, canines absent. Genus Funambulus. Common name Squirrel. Occupy a range of ecological niches worldwide, virtually anywhere there is vegetation. The squirrel family includes ground squirrels, chipmunks, marmots, prairie dogs, and flying squirrels. But to most people, squirrel refers to the 122 species of tree squirrels which belong to 22 genera of the subfamily Sciuridae. The following features are: body bears three stripes of white and grey coat on dorsal side. The ventral side and limbs have grey coat. Eyes large and pinnae well developed. Large chisel-like exposed. Incisors, canines absent. Limbs have 5 claws on digits and the elbow joint is capable of rotating. Tail elongated and bushy. Habit and habitat. It lives in trees and on ground. It is a diurnal animal, feeding on fruits and seeds. Tree squirrels have slender, lanky bodies, long, muscular limbs, and furred feet. The forefeet have 4 long digits, plus a short, stubby thumb, and the 5-toed hind feet are narrow or moderately wide. The bald soles of the feet take the form of prominent fleshy pads. Because the ankle joints are flexible and can be rotated, squirrels can rapidly descend trees headfirst with the hind feet displayed flat against the trunk. Their large bright eyes convey an alert demeanor, and the broad short head tapers to a blunt muzzle adorned with long whiskers. The rounded ears, small in relation to body size, are densely covered with short, fine hairs which form a long tuft at the tips of the ears in some species. The tail is about as long as head and body or appreciably longer. Furred from base to tip, the tail appears bushy and cylindrical when the hairs grow evenly around the tail. The tail appears flatter if the fur originates only from opposite sides. Claws are large, strong, curved, and very sharp, which enables tree squirrels to navigate vertical surfaces and slim branches. Variation in body size is considerable. Most tree squirrels have strong chisel-like incisors and powerful jaws, which are required for gnawing open the hard nuts that, along with fruits, are a primary component of their diet. They also eat seeds, fungi, insects, and other arthropods. The cambium layer of a tree bark, nectar, leaves, buds, flowers, and sometimes